Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a install video for you guys with the hair that I did for my previous video. I just wanted to do an install and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just make a video about it and just post it for you guys because I know it's been a long time since I posted, but it's like I had a lot going on and we're not gonna get into that, so let's just get in the video. Alright you guys, so I braided my hair the day before because I knew I was gonna make that video, and when I was looking for my wig caps, couldn't find none, so I had to use the one that I was using before for my previous wig. And I'm starting by cleaning the front of my head with a makeup remover just to remove all the makeup that I had in the front where I would be putting my glue. And by the way, I suck at this method and that's why I don't be using it, but for this video I said, you know what, I have to do it, so that's what I'm doing. And I like to use my glue because I don't know, I just don't like using the Got2b spray, so I just use that glue because I find it easier for me. And now I'm using the tail of my comb to spread the glue across my hairline. And then I blow dried it until it turned clear, like that. Y'all, I don't know why I use both my scissors and my razor, but I don't know, it just works for me, so I do it. I'm weird. She think it's a phase. I got relations I gotta maintain. I'm two different people, my side and my main. Yeah, I'm sober, I'm an addict, I'm a low life, I got habits, but I refuse to be average. Really so tired of acting. Don't know what I miss no more. Too bad you don't hit me more. I'm bad when I get too bored. Careful what you wishing. Then I used my foundation. It's kind of like close to my skin tone or whatever. And by the way, the glue, I got it from this girl on Instagram. I even forgot her name. And the only thing that I hate about that glue is because like when you put the makeup on, like it makes it look like a mess in the front, kind of. So that's the only thing that I don't like about it. But otherwise, boo, if you use this glue for your wigs, when I tell you that thing is gonna stay down, even if it's hot, whatever or whatnot, you can't even swim with your wig. It's not gonna come off. Like your hair will not move. And to glue my lace down, I just like to cut it into like 3 sections and just do each at a time. In this video, I used 3 layers of glue. You'll see. I used 2 layers of glue because it's hot and I wanted my stuff to, like, you know, be secured. And it was. Honestly, it was. I do the same thing for each session. I use 3 layers of glue before I put my lace on it. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't, of course. I'm an asshole, I'm a good guy, I'm your best friend, I'm the worst type. Tell you everything that you heard right, just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go, this all I've ever known. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No, did it die? Wait, did it die? Wait, did it die?
Then I tied it down with my headband just to, you know, make sure that the lace is all the way in the glue. And then I cut my lace with my razor, not the scissors, because you know I don't want it to give me like a straight hairline or whatnot. And as I was cutting my lace, I realized that there was some place like that did not glue down all the way, so I just put a little bit more and then I just tied it down again. And when I took it off, it was almost perfect. There was that one side that will not stick down, and I just left it like that because. And now I'm just separating the baby hairs. I couldn't plug that wig because it's a T-part and the sections are so thin. I did not want to lose all the hair in the front, because if I did pluck it, then I would have no hair to the baby hair. So yeah. And this is the real definition of trusting the process. Like, please trust the process. It's worth it, honestly. And to cut my baby hair, I also use my razor to do so. And they came out perfect. Like, absolutely perfect.
Whatever you want, I'll be whatever you want. Just tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't, of course. I'm an asshole, I'm a good guy, I'm your best friend, I'm the worst type. Tell you everything that you heard, right? Just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go, this all I've ever known. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No, did it die? Wait, did it die? Wait, did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Won't die. Did it die? Wait, did it die? Wait, did it die? My aunt think I'm perfect, I know I'm not. My mama be worried, I told her stop. They know I did drugs and think that I'm off. Little do they know I never could stop. My manager hate when I'm pulling up late. Back on my bullshit, she think it's a phase. I got relations I gotta maintain. I'm two different people.
After I done doing my baby hair, I use my headband just to make sure that they all laid. And when I took it out, they look so good. Like, look at that. Yes, ma'am. And then I used my hair wax and my hot comb just to make sure that my wig is super flat, because I like it like that. I like my wig to be, you know, like thick or bulky, whatever. I like my wig flat, so I made sure that baby was flat. And then I cut the hair a little bit more because I feel like it was not even. Then I use my flat iron just to fix the end and kind of like bump it a little bit, just how I like it. And then I use my concealer just to clean my part, make sure that it was straight and just crisp. So yeah. And then boom, look at that. Yes, ma'am, I slayed that. Can nobody tell me otherwise? Okay. Oh, look at my smile. I look so beautiful. Anyway, the hair came out super cute, you guys. And that color, it was made for me. All right. Okay. This is the final look, you guys. Let me know what you think because I think I slayed that. Okay. All right. Anyway, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.